Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos and all the playlists. And if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And for the ones who want additional services, you can WhatsApp the team 7892652481. So they will confirm you about the additional services, or else you can go to www.smarttrader.co and you can see all the details. And for the ones who are opening account through Zerodha, Upstock or 5paisa through Smart Trader link, then you will be added to our secret Telegram channel where many things happen. So hurry up. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's strategy video. So futures and options. So we have discussed so much about equity cash, so much of strategies about it. Now it's time for us to enter into FNO because a lot of people are asking me to enter into FNO. So let's apply all our strategies to FNO and see how it helps us. Slowly I'll be moving into commodity in the coming days. For now, let's move into FNO. So this is going to be a very simple strategy. There are a lot of people who wants to trade in FNO and they did not know how to buy and sell and when to buy and sell. So this is dedicated to all the ones and all the beginners how to trade with a simple strategy which was most successful in equity cash. Now we're going to apply the same in futures and option also. So the rule is simple. Everyone of you guys knows NSE. If you do not know NSE, just type in Google NSE India and just hit enter. So if you guys do not know this website, this is our NSE website, official website. So once you go into this NSE official website, always main rule which you should not forget, which we are following from years, is that see whether the Nifty 50 is green or red. If it is green, then we are going to buy side today, or if it is red, then we are going towards the sell side for the day. Okay, so this is the basic rule which you need to keep this in mind. So once you see that, once you're done with that, go to the top 10 gainers and losers for the day. Okay, so if the market is green, that means we have to go to the gainers, and if it was in red, then we will go in losers over here. Okay, so two options, gainers and losers, simple. Now we are going to trade in futures and options. So futures is something here. So these are the top. For example, the market is green here, and we have I have gone to the gainers for now, and I've clicked FNO securities. Now you are going to see the top stock for the day. So when are you going to see the top stock for the day is the important question. So as per the best volume time, exactly at 9:45. Okay, keep this time exactly at 9:45. Okay, whichever stock is in the top gainer, the FNO securities. If it is green, gainers. If it is red, losers. You should see the top stock in losers if it is in red. But as per this, it is in green. So one example is I'm going towards gainer side and FNO securities. So Apollo was in the top example. Exactly 9:45, I will take this stock. So this stock is in my radar. So 9:45, sharp 9:45. This is when 9:45 crosses, refresh and see if this is the top gainer. Yes, this stock is finally the top gainer. I'll put this into my list like this, Apollo, or you can just copy paste. You can just copy paste here into your whichever broker you're using. If you're using Zerodha, Upstock, or whichever broker. So once you're done with this, open the charts. Okay, so I'll just show you. For example, around 9:45 over here, or 19:45, this was the top gainer, and later part by 9:45 you need to put the chart, okay, and calculate your capital. Based on your capital, you need to buy the lots, how much ever lots you can buy, so many lots. Okay, so everything is done, and exactly at 9:55, okay, exactly at 9:55 you need to buy the stock. Okay, 9:45, the top gainer, you are going to take it to your radar. You have 10 minutes to get ready with all your orders. Keep the order ready exactly. Okay, calculate everything, keep everything ready. All the, if you're using bracket order, just put all the informations out there, be ready. And once you're done exactly at 9:55, execute the order in the current price, in the market current price. So execute that in the market's current price, and keep a target of 0.3%. because I'm telling 0.3%, if you know this formula of zero, my formula of 0.3% is successful for all the 80 to 90% of the beginners. This is successful, and today they are successful because they are, putting the 0.3% formula. So that's the reason I'm telling you, initially put 0.3% until and unless you're confident and you have your own confidence, self confidence, then you can go higher. But initially don't take risk on any strategy. Always keep 0.3 for consistent earnings. Okay, so once you hit 0.3%, it will automatically sell and you're done for the day, and you are going to trade the next day, right? Rather than waiting for spike up and spike down and later you miss out a profit. Keep off bracket order, put off 0.3, buy in current market price and hit the 0.3%. You're done for the day. So at 9:55 you will buy at the market price and around 3 rupees, right? So if you buy over here itself 104, you're done. Within few minutes you are done with your trade. There are few days where there is a challenge when the stock will go flat and you need to wait for half an hour to 1 hour, but considering 0.3% profit and that, the time of leverage you get for bracket order 15 to 20 times to 22 times you get. So considering that, you get around how much? 6%, 6%, 6%, 7%, 8% profit you make per day on a single trade and within minutes. So this strategy is 80 to 90% successful. So you need to carefully, only if you need to follow these instructions. You need to see the market here. You have to see the top stocks, FNO securities, and at 9:45 you need to see the stock, and at 9:55 you need to execute the trade. Okay, and always keep bracket order. Do not take risk. You need to keep your target. It's a main rule here, so that it's a main discipline in this strategy. And one more thing what I always say is the 0.09. Okay, so it is a strong buy and strong sell only when this value is 0.20 above. Okay, so if it is between the 0.20 to negative 0.20, then somewhere the nifty is dancing between. Okay, so the movement, considering the movement, will be pretty less. But if you see around 9:45 and the nifty is high more than 0.2 or during sell side below 0.2, then it's a very strong side for you guys. So this is also a factor which you need to keep in mind. There are days when it is between 0.2, the movement will be a bit slow. So that is one tip for you guys. Hope this strategy is a very simple and effective strategy, so all the beginners can observe this. I would not recommend you guys to go and trade. Observe this for a few months and see which are the days this is working out. You want to tweak the strategy, you can tweak this, make it more simpler or make it more effective or complicated it, but end of the day you need to make profit. Please add discipline towards it. That's the only way you can make profit. Train yourself. Thank you so much. Please share this video with all your friends and like this video, and also hit that subscribe button and also comment. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next strategy video. Bye bye.